back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Wednesday 4th of April with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at euro dollar, which interestingly sort of started to drift back towards that key uptrend again yesterday, but bounced this morning on this China news where the dollar has sort of turned a bit more negative on that China trade tariffs news this morning. And it's interesting because this is turning the market around again, bang on that uptrend. That is a 12-month uptrend on euro dollar. So the uptrend is intact for now on this response this morning. 22.55 is today's low, and that is just above the 22.35 support, there or thereabouts, which is again also around about where that uptrend comes in. So this is a real confluence of support coming in here around these sort of levels where the market has bounced from this morning. Now you'd also look at the fact that the momentum indicators have sort of drifted a little bit more negatively. They were looking more neutral, but they were sort of ticking a bit more negatively. Look at those stochastics falling away. But the RSI is still above 40, which is sort of holding on to that medium-term positive configuration which has been in place for several months now. So we are hanging on to this uptrend, and the market obviously posting or beginning to form this positive candle today is also a positive. So will this continue? Will this continue to sort of hold on to this move? Well, the bulls pushing above 23.45, which is that reaction high on Friday, would certainly help to reinvigorate the market a little bit in the near term. But still, this is a range play, isn't it? Several, about 10 weeks or so of range play now between 21.55 25.55. But if that uptrend is broken, then that really does start to add pressure to the downside. 21.55 would then obviously come straight back into view as that key level. But for now, we are holding on to the trend. But there is this drift going on, which is a concern. And unless we sort of break back above 23.45, then that concern will remain. Sort of look at the hourly chart, you can see this sort of run of lower highs. Seems as though the RSI fails every time it gets towards 60. So again, we're around about that level now. So will this be a point at which the RSI on the hourly rolls over? So this is an interesting time, interesting crossroads, I think, for euro dollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.